y'all, so y'all know I'm a foodie and I love trying new things. So we're currently at a railway market. We're just, I saw this on TikTok. So we're just gonna see what this guy has to offer, okay? Because I've seen some of the like vendors or whatever, and the food looks bomb. Okay, so come along. Okay, y'all, so I ordered from Heads and Tails. I really wanted some gumbo because that's what I've been craving, but I'm gonna try I think I got the fried catfish platter or whatever it's called. So hopefully that's good. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. But it's really cool in here. It's very uppity. It's like an actual like market vibes. I hope y'all can hear me. And it's like different like vendors. So like up top is like the permanent people, like the food people and stuff. And so upstairs is like the people who are like consistently here. That makes sense. And then down below, it's like a whole bunch of different like vendors. Like, try to see if we can get a little spot in here. I'm gonna tell y'all how the food tastes. Like I said, I got the catfish platter. It comes with coleslaw and it look good. The seasoning tastes really, it smells good, so we're gonna see. Ooh, it's hot. I don't know why I'm blowing like this, really gonna pull it off. Now I know I look real crazy in this clip, but I just want y'all to understand. This fish was like fresh out the grease. Like I'm convinced they literally poured my catfish straight out the oil. Cause baby, I was really burning my mouth. This season really good though. This batter is bomb. I like to put a little lemon on mine. What's this? I'm assuming this is tartar sauce. I don't eat that. Well, I got hush puppies. Okay. I think I made a good decision getting this over the gumbo. Okay. Okay. Ooh. I definitely had a 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th degree burn at the top of my mouth at this point. It's definitely fresh. I just want to take a video of this. Like, this wall is really, I want this in my house. Like, I don't think those are real dollars. Maybe it is, I don't know. But I love this. I'm trying to get a bigger. Yeah, it is so cute out here. I like this little pumpkin area. This is so cute. Look. Oh wait, the lighting is behind me. I'm a little dark for that. He just had to have cotton candy because he's a little kid. But cotton candy smells good. Anywho, so yeah. Look how cute. They have this little play area. Okay, so the food was really, really good. And he got a burger from that burger place. Just a little side note. The dude at the cashier was very rude. But hey, the food was okay. It wasn't nothing spectacular. Like the burger was like, it was okay. But the that catfish basket was bomb. So good. It's super like family orientated.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Orientated. I cannot talk nowadays. Pregnancy brain is crazy. Such a cool vibe inside. Like I really liked it. It was super cool. He had to top it off with his cotton candy. Oh, I'm out of breath. I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta get to the car. But yeah, super cool vibes. I definitely gonna come back. I'm gonna try out the chicken place and maybe there's samosas and whatever else, cause yeah. Okay, I'm back in the car. But yeah, that was Railway Market place, whatever. And this kind of candy good. It really melt in your mouth. Overall, did you enjoy it? Huh?
Yeah.
How was your burger?
You don't know fly by yourself?
No, I do, but I went to get your opinion because I didn't eat the burger.
It's alright.
Told y'all, nothing spectacular. It's good.